Hey guys, Smellnroses here, and welcome back to the channel. It's early October 2023, and today we're just off the Blue Ridge Parkway in Amherst County, Virginia. We're going to be taking one of my personal favorite off-road trails in the area, known locally as Enchanted Creek. This trail is roughly about 6 or 7 miles one way of unimproved Forest Service road. The primary feature is an awesome stone creek culvert under the Blue Ridge Parkway that we'll drive through about midway through the trail. We'll end this adventure by connecting with the parkway just a few miles north of the Otter Creek area. This one is really fun. Come along, let's go check it out.